When natural disasters strike, time is your enemy. Traditional methods fail when you need speed and people the most. The old way, 2 people, 8 to 10 scoops, 45 seconds. The scoop boss, 1 person, 1 to 2 scoops, 5 seconds. With the scoop boss, you're never alone in the fight against flooding and time. Step 1. Grab the scoop boss, slide the bag on, and you're ready. Step 2. 1 or 2 scoops, 5 seconds, done. Step 3. Drop the bag and repeat. Protect more. Safer, easier, and faster. For water removal, simply attach the water seal tight cover. It's quick, secure, and leak-proof. You have an unprotected area that got flooded? Need to clear dirty water? No power? The Scoop Boss delivers there too. With the Scoop Boss, 1 person can do the work of 2 to 3 people in a fraction of the time, saving more area from catastrophic damage. When lives and property are at stake, every second counts. The Scoop Boss, saving both.